Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to show you one of the most essential skills to master within Inkscape, which is how to group your objects. Whether you are designing complex vector illustrations, logos, or technical diagrams, knowing how to keep your elements organized is a game changer for your workflow. If you have ever felt frustrated moving individual shapes around your canvas when you really wanted them to stay together as a single unit, this video is exactly what you need. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to organize your workspace efficiently by grouping and ungrouping items in seconds. If this video helps you improve your design efficiency, please hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more Inkscape tips. Let us jump right into the software. The first step in grouping your objects is selection. You might have several different shapes, paths, or text elements currently scattered across your canvas. To begin, click on the first object you want to include in your group. With that object selected, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click on the second, third, or any additional objects you wish to incorporate. You will notice that each selected item now shows a bounding box, indicating that it is part of your current active selection. Once you have all the necessary parts selected, it is time to perform the grouping action. Simply press Ctrl+G on your keyboard simultaneously. You will notice that the individual bounding boxes disappear and are replaced by one single large bounding box that encompasses everything you selected. Now, whenever you click on any part of that group, the entire collection of objects will move, rotate, or scale as one unified unit. This is incredibly useful for maintaining perfect alignment while you are scaling your designs or rearranging your composition. Now, what if you decide you need to tweak an individual piece after grouping? It is very simple to fix. You do not need to delete anything or start over. To ungroup your items, just select the grouped object and press Ctrl+U on your keyboard. This command instantly breaks the group apart, turning everything back into individual pieces that you can edit separately again. This back and forth process of grouping and ungrouping is a fundamental workflow in vector design that will save you so much time over the long run. Practicing this shortcut, Ctrl+G for group and Ctrl+U for ungroup, will eventually become second nature, allowing you to focus more on your creativity and less on navigating the software interface. Remember to keep your layers organized and use these groups to create clean, professional projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our 2026 design guides. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next one.